Good morning, all of you. I am your science teacher. Today I am going to teach you physics from the IIT syllabus. In last few videos of physics, we discussed on the different part of this chapter and different topics of this chapter. We discussed on the different topics like history of measurement, physical quantities and their units, measurement of length, measurement of mass, and measurement of time, measurement of density we discussed today, and then we study what is measurement of volume. Okay, so history we studied and different units, different systems of unit, scales, vernier calipers we already studied, and today we discuss measurement of density. Density is a derived university. We know that before calculating density, we need to calculate the mass and volume of a substance. It means density is a derived quantity. It is depend on the fundamental quantities. Which fundamental quantities? Mass and volume. Why mass and volume? We calculate the density. It means density can be defined as mass per unit volume. So it has a SI unit. SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. And in the CGS system, what is the unit of density? Gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so by an example, we can try to understand what is density. Suppose we take two block of different objects, like uh, both of the blocks have same size, same volume. Okay, suppose I take one block of wood and one block of iron. Okay, and we know that the same size of both blocks have different mass. If we take the measurement of mass of wood, so what mass of the object? Approx, suppose the mass of wood block is 4 kg. How much? 4 kg. And if we measure the mass of iron of the same size block, so what is the weight of iron? Approx, suppose 12 kg. The mass of iron block is higher than the wood block. We know that. And it is the mass. So the formula of density is equal to mass upon volume, or mass per volume, mass per unit volume. So by this formula we can calculate the density of the wooden piece or the iron piece. So what is the mass according to this formula? Mass of wood is 4 kg and mass of iron is 12 kg. And when we measure the volume of both the pieces, so what is the formula of volume? Length into width into height. Okay, so when we calculate, both have the same size, it means same volume. They have same volume. So after finding, we calculate the volume. Suppose the volume of both of the pieces is 4 meter cube. Okay, 4, and solve it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. So what is the density of wooden piece? 1 kg per meter cube. Okay, same as we can divide the mass of iron by its volume. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. What is the density of iron? 3 kilogram per meter cube. ओके, आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा होगा व्हाट इज डेंसिटी. So why this calculation? We understand that what is the difference between the density of two objects. So here the density of wood is less as comparison to piece of iron. Okay, so different objects have different density. So here in this table they give some examples of the density, some solid substances and liquids, some gases in the both type of units, in the SI unit kilogram per meter square cube, and in CGS system gram per centimeter cube. So what is the density of gold? 19,000 kilogram per meter cube, and in the CGS system 19. Okay, and mercury is also a metal, but it's found in nature in the state of liquid. So it is a liquid substance. So what is the density of it? 13,600, 13.6. Lead is also a metal, a solid substance, 11,000. Iron, 78,000. Water, 1,000. And petrol, 800. Air, only 1.3. Kerosene, 800. Glycerine, 13,000. Wood, 700 to 900. Glass, 2600. Aluminum, 2700. Copper, 8900. So different objects have different density. So according to this table, highest density of which substance is gold. Gold has higher density as comparison to iron also. And in liquids, because it is a metal, mercury has highest density as comparison to other liquids. And when we talk about liquid except mercury, water has highest density. Okay, and in the gases, air has the highest density. Okay, so these are the units of density. There are two types of, and we see the different objects density. Okay, I hope आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Good luck.